Hey everyone, this is Rithi Radia from Tech Bara YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna show you how to run Python program in command prompt. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll go to folder section. So I have already created one folder, Tech by RR. So firstly, we'll create one folder, naming it as Python. Okay. So now inside this folder, for running our Python program in command prompt, we need to write our code in Notepad, right? So for that, we'll click on new text document and then open with Notepad. So here we'll write our Python program. So we'll print hello world using Python. Okay. So for printing hello world using Python, we just type print circular brackets, double quotes and hello world. So here we'll go to file, save as, and mark this point. You have to save your Python file in double quotes. So I will give name as p1 and extension .p1. So we'll click on save. Now to run our Python code, go to this address bar and type cmd. Now inside cmd you have to type Python and your file name, that is p1.py. So here is our hello world. So this is how you can run Python program in command prompt.